So today I'm going to show you how to buy Maker. This is one of my new trade tips. All you need to do to first buy Maker is go to this URL, bit.ly/Binance Joe. If you use this link, you can see it's a referral ID. You'll get 10% bonus wherever you trade. I do get a bonus as well, but that's just because if I refer people, you get a bonus, I get a bonus, everyone wins. Once you've done that, so once you've logged in, you'll be on this page or you'll be on the home page like this. You want to go to buy crypto, and then you can buy directly with your credit card or bank card. So you buy Maker here, you put in whatever you want to put in, whatever currency it is that you use. You find the coin Maker and you buy, and then you'll own it. Now my tip is currently around 2,578. I am putting the first take profit at around 3,999. If you want the other take profits, you want more free tips like this, it's exclusive to my Telegram group. It is free to join for the time being. The link is in the description of this video, or if you're already in the group, then you know what to do. Hope this helped, and stay tuned for some more videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to buy this cryptocurrency, and we're going to be doing loads more tutorials on how to buy specific cryptocurrencies. Remember, the link is in the description if you want to get a 10% bonus on any order or any crypto that you purchase. If you want to get free trade tips multiple times a week and you want to make the maximum amount of gains in the crypto space, make sure to join my free Telegram group through the link in the description of this video. Now, it's free for a limited time only. Once we get a few more members, it's going to be paid. The reason is, I'm just trying to an incentive to get people in, but the value in there, it can easily make you thousands, tens of thousands in additional income and passive income every single month if you take the trade tips correctly. Also in there is going to be free education. If you want to get daily crypto updates, daily free crypto education, make sure to follow my TikTok as well in the link in the description of this video. And as always, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. If there's anything that I can help with, my DMs are always open on TikTok. You can leave comments in this video and I will get back to you. So let me know if you want free trade tips. And also, if you guys want to make sure to get it up to date as it happens, real time trade tips and updates, make sure to follow my TikTok to see the lives. I go live multiple times a week, try to go live a few times in the day as well. And if you guys want anywhere else from me, you know where to ask in the comments. Thanks very much for watching.